we are happy to introduce for 2021, when you come out of lockdown, the new Ruger Hawkeye in 6.5 Creedmoor. So what we've got is a mixture of traditional rifle. So you've got wooden stock, stainless steel, which we've then had Cerakoted with a traditional old-fashioned Mauser bolt. Now, from the rear, you've got an old-style recoil pad, a bit like a Silver's, straight grain walnut stock, a typical Mauser 98 style action, which was what made the Ruger famous in the first place, 3-position safety, a adjustable trigger, standard floor plate. It comes with a Picatinny rail, or you can use any Ruger mounting system to go on there. All rifles are threaded, and these are Cerakoted in flat dark earth.
It's a really cool colour. Why have you gone for that colour?
Because the original guns from the factory are stainless steel, which is very nice. However, if you go to most hunters, stainless steel does stand out in bright light and will reflect, and deer, etc. will see it. So we've just gone to make it a little bit funky. And in America, they have a lot of dealer exclusives where they make something a little bit quirky for the US market, and it is a dealer exclusive, so you can't buy it for general consumption in America. And we're doing exactly the same for the UK. It's not a new idea, but it still works for the UK shooter who wants something slightly different than the normal.
Is there a limited run, Andy?
There is a limited run. For 2021, there'll be a maximum of 20 rifles available. Retail price on this is going to be around the £1,600 mark. Now, for a Mauser style action with this sort of build quality, £1,600, that's going to be quite a snip.
Mauser actions, why should I be interested in Mauser actions?
It's a time-tested, functioning action that works in the most extreme conditions. Heat to the desert, the jungle, here in the UK where it's sub-zero temperatures at the moment. It is just a fantastic, really strong action. This rifle is only offered at the moment in 6.5 Creedmoor.
Why have you gone for that?
Because that's what Ruger made it in. Ruger have opted to do this because it is looking like it's the round of the future. At the moment, it's really worked well at long range target shooting. Now there's an awful lot of hunting ammunition being made for 6.5. It seems to be taken over from the 243 in popularity. It has certain advantages and disadvantages, low recoil, great trajectory. It's just becoming more and more popular. Ruger have recognised that and taken it from their target range and now put it into some of their hunting rifles as well.